ever concerned that it's a KRQ script?
Very.
You were.
I was like, what am I doing? What am I doing? How am I doing this? But I was confident that I would now. In fact, I was confident that because of past scripts unke and past work that had gone by, कि अब चेंज आना ज़रूरी है और अब अगर कोई लाइंस या डायलॉग उस तरह के हैं तो अब someone like me can be like, I'm not saying this.
Yeah. Did you say that
Of
to any of
course.
your lines?
Of course, I didn't have too many, but my co-stars in the same scene,
Yeah.
I was like, you can't say this. You can't say this anymore. You have to change it. ये जो sentence है इसको reconstruct कर दो, एक दो words निकाल के swap कर दो, just so that it's PC, just so that it's sensitive, just so that it is not क्या बोलूँ?
Problematic.
Not problematic.
Yeah, not problematic.
Just small things like an expression of like, you know, मैं उसको बताऊंगा, सुनाऊंगा was written a different way. But you can't say that anymore.
Yeah.
तो उसको change कराना या एक bad behavior को laugh off करना किसी के bad behavior को कि वो तो होता ही ऐसे. नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होता और ऐसे आप कह नहीं सकते.
Yeah.
I was like, that is where you need to be like, no, उसने गलत किया and he should be, you know, like repent for that. And Nadeem, like, and only Nadeem could do that. ना उनका फिर इतना गहरा रिश्ता है तो फिर वही और इतने काम इकट्ठे उन्होंने किया हुआ है. तो Nadeem had the क्या कहेंगे?
The power to change.
I didn't want to say power, but yes, he was able to do that.
He was able to do that.
He was able to do that.
Huh.
And the other actors were like, oh, and I know Sajal also did a few of that in her scenes where she could, where she really was like, you know, but times are changing and I think one learns their lesson और आपने फिर करना होता है. So I was concerned but I was also confident कि क्योंकि बेग साहब कर रहे हैं तो हम कुछ कह सकते हैं कर सकते हैं अगर हम में सही नहीं लग रहा.
Right. Absolutely.
और उनको भी अब पता है कि अगर if you don't want to drown then start listening to the woke actors at least or change things around.
Right. तो सर हम 7 साल
आपको बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लमैटिक चीज़ें लग रही हैं वैसे स्क्रिप्ट में?
नहीं
अभी भी
नहीं, मुझे स्क्रिप्ट की सबसे प्रॉब्लमैटिक चीज़ स्क्रिप्ट ही लग रही है कि वो जिसको मैं अब फिलोसॉफिकल रैम्बलिंग्स कहती हूँ वो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती हैं. मगर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि पिछले 2-3 हफ्ते से वो थोड़ी सी एडिट में शायद कट भी रही हैं बिकॉज इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं हो रही. बट आई जस्ट फेल्ट दैट you don't want it to happen all the time with every character.
I guess in this because मैं जब अम्मी और मोहिब के साथ देखती हूँ कभी तो मोहिब is just like man, no one understands this writing. It is really good writing. Like क्या बात और इतनी simple बात इतनी philosophically कह दी. उनको मजा आता है ऐसे dialogue सुन के. Whereas the rest of everyone is like, okay, we get the point, move on. So it's just a difference in your pace in life maybe. And for you guys, आप लोग इतना review drama आपको देखने होते हैं because to review तो आपकी तो दिमाग की दही हो रही होती है कि best move on with
नहीं
it.
ऊपर से हमने ये भी ट्रेंड भी देखे ना कि KRQ के कैरेक्टर्स जनरली सब ये करते हैं.
So if you're going to watch a KRQ script then
this
know
is
what to
you
expect.
This. हाँ exactly. You know what to expect. बिल्कुल सही है. But Sanam, 7 years, Deedan was also a complex drama. You know, northern areas में सब बना हुआ है. उस वक्त से अब तक what difference do you see in the industry? आज जब आप बैठ के या 7 साल आपने जो ऑब्जर्व किया
कुछ नहीं.
nothing changes for the better, changes for the worse.
On set?
Everything.
On screen.
Quality of dramas.
नहीं हाँ इसका एक another reason for saying yes to this was shot on a film camera.
Yeah, वो तो नजर आ रहा है.
Sets, the film, the lights. I was like Salman bhai, up you know I just did Shandur with him also there and he does all the ads and here so that was very exciting. It's the first time I saw a big shift. I was like well really leveling up. अगर ये lights और cameras से हम TV का काम करें तो फिर इसका जो quality है is amazing.
Yeah.
And वाकई, I mean, look at the lighting and the shots and the
frames are
set.
beautiful.
I shot Mera Naseeb in that Haveli type house.
Right.
And lots of things have happened in that house, but it was totally transformed with the art direction that was done. Panels were put on the wall, wallpaper was put, curtain, मतलब पूरा change किया था उस घर को.
बिल्कुल.
And so that was exciting to see के 7 साल में ये चेंज मैंने पहला इसमें देखा है.
नई लोकेशंस हैं जो आप लोगों की कम्युनिटी टीचर्स कम्युनिटी है वो भी आई थिंक इट्स व्हाट where is that?
It's supposed to be Lahore.
Lahore.
But
we know that. But yeah,
so that we can say where it was shot.
Yeah, I mean,
it was in Behriya.
बैरिया टाउन
हाँ,
में है,
Behriya
जो
town
पूरा
में।
लड़ाई वाला सीक्वेंस है वो राया
Oh,
में
वो
किया हुआ
वाला
है,
Raya,
वो तो
exactly.
जबरदस्त
Raya,
राया।
BNU, my old college.
Your own
I'd
college.
never studied in that campus.
हाँ.
मेरा campus बहुत छोटा, Zaffarelli Road पे, बहुत छोटा था. This is like a full on.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
So it was exciting to go to BNU
sets are
and
beautiful,
like a full
yeah.
circle kind of come back
हाँ.
to BNU. That location was really stunning.
Hmm.
Raya, Behriya, where our houses were, those little townhouses you don't get to see on screen. That Haveli house. The other house, Azan ka jo ghar bana hua hai.
कई different
Yeah,
locations हैं.
कई
It's
different
fun.
locations
Visually, it's spectacular. Even सुनने
And
में भी
performances.
performances, absolutely, absolutely.
For the first time, I've appreciated filmy acting.
हाँ.
And Babar Ali and Saima
क्या
ji.
फर्क है?
भाई एक जो कहते हैं ठहराओ, अपना टाइम ना बाबर भाई was telling me कि वो he's like मेरे तो कम सीन्स हैं, लेकिन मैंने कहा लेकिन इतने इम्पैक्टफुल हैं. he's like हमें आता है ना स्क्रीन टाइम लेना.
हाँ.
अब देखिए मैं एक डायलॉग बोलूंगा, फिर मैं लुक दूंगा, फिर मैं ये करूंगा, स्क्रीन टाइम ले रहा हूँ ना. I was like, it's true.
Yeah.
But you are watching him and holding on to his every move. And Saima ji
Absolutely.
सौंफ खा रही है. अब कैसे यूजली आप ऐसे करके ऐसे खाते हो, ऐसे खाते हो, वो एक एक दाना लेके खा रही हैं. और जब ये कर रही हैं तो उनका हाथ यहाँ लिंगर करता है. And I'm like, oh my god, wow. When she turns, it's like the eyes look down first, then they look up, and I'm like, मास्टर क्लास.
आदा.
आप लोगों को ये कराची फिल्म स्कूल में जाके प्लीज एक्टिंग क्लासेस कोर्सेज करें, जस्ट ऑन कैमरा एक्टिंग, फिल्म एक्टिंग, बिहाइंड या इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा, हाउ टू एक्ट इज अ ह्यूज डील जो हम लोग नहीं सीखते. अपनी लाइट लेने, अपने एंगल लेना, अपना. तो उनका जो साइमा जी का जो ठहराव था, एंड इट्स बिग स्क्रीन एक्टिंग.
It's big screen acting. हाँ, absolutely. उनकी तो अदा, हर चीज.
अदा.
Right from the first
Nazakat,
episode.
Ada, like everything, and so that was quite fascinating.
And she's a very grey character. I mean, it's
Yeah,
I love
that's
that.
an excellent
I love
character.
that
Yeah.
it's not a black
Her and
white.
Azan.
Yeah.
are the stars
Azan
of
तो
the
grey
show.
नहीं है वैसे, लेकिन performance
performance
बहुत अच्छी है.
Azan has
Yeah.
outdone himself.
Absolutely.
He's flawless. He's really, really good.
It makes you worry कि ये Azan है.
Yeah, very good.
तुमने कैसे कर
But it
लिया?
always happens. I started my career with a villainous role.
Yeah.
And after that, I would constantly get those for a little while. So you get your time, you get your chance. I mean, he's now definitely, up there, and people
Absolutely.
can't deny that talent.
No, he's really
And
good.
then,
He's
yeah.
really good. And that scene between him and Suraya is like fantastic. Pir Makki ke
Yeah.
It's good. It's good. वो तो बात बिल्कुल
Because
सही
he's
है.
so chill when he's doing it.
हाँ.
That's the thing.
हाँ.
He looks like a pagal Majnu.
He does,
And he's,
he does.
no, it's good.
How challenging was it for you? You were expecting during the shoot.
Oh my God. Yes, that also happened. So I wasn't expecting.
Okay.
Then I was expecting. Then I was like, guys, my cutoff date is
हाँ.
this, because then what are you going to do?
हाँ.
मतलब I don't know कि कब दिखेगा, कब नहीं दिखेगा.
साड़ियों का फायदा हो गया.
साड़ियों भी पहनी, ये वो. और जितना मैं कहूँ कि ये मेरा कट ऑफ डेट है, उतना ही उसके बाद शूट होती गई. Because there were so many actors involved. Like they couldn't manage everyone's dates. And then you have me, Sajal, and Humayun, and just the three of us could never get together till I was 7 months pregnant.
Oh, you were 7 months on set
You
as
can
well.
see it.